I'm making the state dessert for all 50 states in America. This is stop number 11 on our tour. I'm not going to give you the facts for the state because I cannot avoid the name of the state by listing these facts, so stick around until the end of the video and let me know what your guess is in the comments for what dessert belongs to this state. Our dessert today is mud pie. It's so freaking obvious.
Can't make a pie without crust, so this one happens to have an Oreo crust, which I love. It's just crushed Oreos mixed with melted butter, pressed evenly into a 9-inch pie dish, and you bake it at 350 for 10 minutes. Next layer is brownies, and this recipe calls for a box. I can't remember the last time I used a box mix for anything, but I will do it because I am following this recipe. You use only half of the brownie mix, interesting. Use the other half for whatever your half brownie box needs are, I guess. Just going to make that batter according to the box, but half, don't remember, it's only half. And we're gonna bake it on that Oreo crust for about 20 minutes or until baked through. You wanna let this cool all the way before moving on to the next step, which includes whipping some cream. So we have cold heavy cream going into a bowl. This is a large amount of cream, but it's gonna get split up for a couple uses. So we're gonna whip that to begin just on a medium speed until it starts to thicken, and then we're going to add in granulated sugar, cream of tartar, which helps it stay stabilized in the fridge, and some vanilla extract. You want to whip that until stiff peaks, and now guess what? Another box. We have pudding mix, chocolate pudding mix. Just make that according to the box directions. Actually, you know what? That's a lie. This recipe says something else. We add cocoa powder, vanilla, and milk to this, and then we give it about 5 minutes to thicken. And then we're gonna fold in a couple cups of that whipped cream we just made, and we're gonna set that aside while our brownie and crust are still cooling. Once they are, we're going to gently spread this mixture on top of the brownie and crust combination, being very careful to smooth it and make sure it's an even thickness. This is a very full pie dish, so I'm hoping it slices evenly. It'll probably need extra time to set in the fridge, but that's okay. We're gonna add in the rest of that whipped cream on top that we didn't fold into the pudding mixture, and just spread it however you like. This pie is going to be a mess, I can already tell, because it is so full. So you want to be artful, be artful. You want to be rustic, that's okay. You need to give it some time in the fridge to set up, which I did not do. I went ahead and topped it with the crushed Oreos as according to the recipe says, and then I made a rather messy slice, but it was worth it.
All right, so the full name is Mississippi mud pie. I bet all of you knew that already, but let me know in the comments what your guess was and what state you live in and what you think your state dessert should be. Now the facts for this is called Mississippi mud pie because it is the layered chocolatey rich dessert, and the color is supposed to resemble the dark mud of the Mississippi River. So I guess we're eating mud. But it has layers of the Oreo crust, the brownie, the smooth chocolate pudding cream mixture, and the cream on top and the crumbled Oreos. Like, this is everything I love in a dessert. Oh, Jesus, that is good. Okay. Oh, yeah. That's amazing. It's everything I want in a dessert. It makes my day so much better just by eating it. The full recipe for this is linked in the description. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me for the rest of this 50 video series making all the state desserts in America. I'll see you on the next stop.